Yo, what's up internet? Tomas Peter here. I'm a top-rated freelancer on Upwork and I made thousands of dollars editing videos. And in this video, I have some troubleshooting tips for you here, right? When you are stuck in Premiere Pro, what you should do, right? So yeah, let's read through this first and then we're gonna go deeper into each of these. Yeah, so I separated into two categories, right? The first one is non-destructive methods and the second one is destructive methods. Yeah, and I also try to sort these in order in which I would try to do each of these, right? So let's try to read through them, right? So yeah, the first one in the non-destructive methods is delete media cache, delete temporary files, delete render files, restart Premiere Pro, restart PC. Try to switch between GPU and software only, render in Media Encoder instead of Premiere Pro and vice versa, make a new sequence, make a new project and import media from the previous one, make sure the media files are stored locally, not in a cloud, make sure the video files aren't corrupted, update Premiere Pro, update drivers, update PC, update BIOS, Handbrake, scan your PC for viruses and malware, contact Adobe Microsoft support. Yeah, so these are the non-destructive methods. Yeah, now the destructive methods, yeah. Something I would do in a last case, yeah. If the non-destructive methods doesn't work, let's try to do some of these, yeah. So use PC Cleaner, reset Premiere Pro, use Adobe CC Cleaner, use Premiere Pro Cleaner from Video Revealed, and in the last case reinstall Windows, yeah. So now let's go deeper into each of these, right? I'm gonna show you exactly what you should do. If it's not self-explanatory, if it's very easy, like restart PC or update PC, yeah. I'm not gonna show these kind of things, but let's see some more of the complicated ones, yeah. So let's start with the delete media cache, yeah. By the way, this video was a little bit inspired by this video from Video Revealed, yeah, troubleshoot a project in Adobe Premiere Pro. I got some ideas from his video and I added also some of my, also this is my personal experience. This is tried and tested methods, yeah. This solved the issues for me, yeah, in most cases. So let's go through each of these. The first one is delete media cache, yeah. So in Premiere Pro, edit preferences, media cache, yeah, and I'm in the media cache, you wanna click the delete button, right? Yeah, this window is gonna pop up, delete unused media cache files, you're gonna click OK, and it's gonna clean the media cache database, yeah. Yeah, so yeah, that's the delete media cache. What we got here next, delete temporary files, yeah. This is done in a PC. Basically you're gonna press Windows plus R and it's gonna open the run window, yeah, like this, yeah, and here you're gonna type temp and you're gonna delete the temporary files. Also this works as well, yeah, percentage temp percentage, yeah, and you delete these two temporary files, yeah. So that's the temporary files deleting, yeah. Okay, what we got here next, delete render files. Yeah, so this is again done in Premiere Pro. Yeah, let's say I have something here, yeah, color matte. Yeah, let's create this. I'm gonna render this. And now how to delete these render files, right? We go to sequence, yeah, delete render files into out, yeah. Are you sure you wanna delete it? Yes, okay. Yeah, and it's yellow again, yeah, this line down here is now yellow again, yeah, it was green before, now it's yellow, yeah. That means we deleted the render files. Let's see what we got here next, restart Premiere Pro, yeah. So basically what you're gonna do, you're just gonna close Premiere Pro, yeah, and open it again, yeah. This can solve the issue sometimes as well. Next solution, restart PC. Yeah, this is self-explanatory as well. You're just gonna restart PC. These first 5, they solve most of the issues, like in 75%. Yeah, it solves the problem. Yeah, these are the most common issues that solves the problem. Yeah, media cache, temporary files, render files, and restarting usually helps the most. Now let's see what we got here next. Yeah, try to switch between GPU and software only. Yeah, what I mean by this in Premiere Pro, if we go to File, Project Settings, General, Yeah, here it is. Yeah, renderer, Mercury Playback Engine, GPU acceleration, CUDA, and you switch to Mercury Playback Engine software only. Yeah, try to switch between these two. Yeah, sometimes it helps. Yeah, sometimes software only helps. Yeah, another thing what we got here. Render in Media Encoder instead of Premiere Pro and vice versa. Yeah, if it's a rendering problem, yeah, sometimes rendering in Media Encoder doesn't work, so try to render in Premiere Pro instead. Yeah, basically in the rendering dialog box you're gonna press export instead of Q. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, let's go to Premiere Pro, open the rendering dialog box. Yeah, down here as you can see you're gonna press export instead of send media to encoder or vice versa. Yeah, try both of these and see which one works for you, right? Sometimes exporting in Premiere Pro works better, sometimes exporting in Media Encoder works better. Yeah, so that's this. Now let's see what we got here next. Make a new sequence. Yeah, basically in Premiere Pro you just try to create a new sequence, and basically you're gonna import the stuff from the previous sequence. Okay, so that was make a new sequence. Next one is make a new project and import media from the previous one. Yeah, so basically you're gonna create a new Premiere Pro project. Yeah, and sometimes if you have so many stuff in a previous project, right, just import the one you need. Yeah, so if you have like so many sequences or something, yeah, just import the one you need into new project. Yeah, that might help as well. Another thing is make sure the media files are stored locally, not in a cloud. Yeah, basically make sure you're storing the media files on your hard drive or SSD drive. Yeah, just on your computer, not in the cloud. Yeah, it might have some network issues. And another thing is make sure the video files aren't corrupted. Yeah, what happened to me in the past, yeah, when I was downloading the files through the 4K video downloader, yeah, sometimes, yeah, this is a weird format, yeah, of the 4K videos, and sometimes it can bug the whole computer, yeah, just because of this weird format. Yeah, so make sure the video files are not corrupted. Next one is update Premiere Pro. Yeah, basically you go to the Creative Cloud application, yeah, you check for the updates, yeah, and you update to the latest version. Update drivers. Yeah, I use application called Driver Easy. Yeah, this is gonna scan your computer and update all the drivers. It costs money, but it does a good job. Yeah, so updating drivers is very important. Yeah, sometimes they get up to date. Updating them manually is not easy, so I recommend Driver Easy. Another thing is to update the driver through the NVIDIA Studio. Yeah, graphic drivers through NVIDIA Studio. Yeah, another thing is update PC. Yeah, this is kind of self-explanatory. You go to the search, right, and you search for update, and you update your PC. Yeah, update BIOS. Yeah, this is different PC to PC, right? Each PC has a different one. Yeah, so you might have to check your manufacturer's website. Yeah, what does it have? Yeah, so this is, for example, my stuff. Yeah, BIOS and firmware. So I would update through this, right? Another thing is Handbrake. Yeah, Handbrake is an application. Basically, it's gonna re-render the video, right? You're just gonna drag and drop the file here, and it's gonna re-render it. Yeah. Sometimes the video files just doesn't work. You know, I don't know. Sometimes it happened to me in a particular situation with the iPhone videos. The iPhone videos, they were just lagging in Premiere Pro. It wasn't able to edit, right? So I just ran them through the Handbrake and it solved the issue. Yeah, it wasn't laggy anymore. Yeah, so try to use Handbrake if you get some lags with the video. Yeah, as I said, it happened to me from videos from iPhone. Yeah, another thing is scan your PC for viruses and malware. Yeah, you might have some viruses or malware on your PC, so this might solve the issue as well. Yeah, I recommend using software called Malwarebytes to scan the malware. Yeah, in the last case, if none of this helps, yeah, if you need further help, I recommend contacting Adobe or Microsoft support. Yeah, they might help you. Yeah. Okay, so now let's go to the destructive methods, or something that I would do in the last case. Yeah, because these things, they can change the settings, yeah, or delete some things on your computer. Yeah, so this is some kind of destructive methods. Yeah, you might lose like presets or layouts in Premiere Pro. Yeah, so do this only if the previous one didn't work. Yeah, or only like if you feel you need to do this. Yeah, so the first one is to use PC Cleaner. Yeah, what I'm talking about is application something like this. Yeah, there is a couple similar ones. Yeah, you can get something like this and try to clean your PC. Yeah, another thing is to reset Premiere Pro. Yeah, what I'm talking about is, for example, as shown in this video. Yeah, let's watch this. Yeah.
Until this reset keyboard, click to open down the Alt key. From your desktop, while holding down the Alt key on your keyboard, click to open Premiere Pro. It's super important that you continue holding down the Alt key until this reset preferences dialog appears or it won't work. If you're on a Mac, you need to hold down the Option key while opening Premiere Pro instead of the Alt key. Then just hit OK.
Yeah, so as you just heard, you just hold the Alt key, yeah, and it's gonna reset Premiere Pro. So that's another thing. So another thing is to use Adobe CC Cleaner. Yeah, what I'm talking about is this. So what is the Creative Cloud CC Cleaner tool? Yeah, this is basically a cleaner tool from Adobe CC. You're gonna download it and you're gonna clean it. Yeah, so that's Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. Yeah, and yeah, another thing is to use Premiere Pro Cleaner from Video Revealed. Yeah, it's this cleaner script. Yeah, that costs $0. Yeah, it's for free. Yeah, and it's gonna clean Premiere Pro as well. And yeah, the last thing I know about is to reinstall Windows. Yeah, in the last case, if none of these previous one helped, right, you're gonna reinstall Windows and you're gonna basically start from scratch. Yeah, it's gonna delete everything. Yeah, but it can solve the issue. Yeah, so these are like all the possible scenarios or solutions that I know about. Yeah, this is something I would do personally if I had a problem in Premiere Pro. So if you are stuck in Premiere Pro, try to use one of these methods. Yeah, I don't recommend anyone to do this, right? This is something I would personally do. You can get inspired, you can do your own research. Yeah, so you don't destroy your computer or your project, right, that you are working on. Yeah, make sure you know what you are doing, yeah, before you're gonna do it, because especially these destructive methods, yeah, as I said, they can delete stuff on your PC, yeah, so make sure you know what you are doing before you're gonna do it, right? That's this for this video, and so yeah, bye bye, see you in the next one.